Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for today's fun summer roll recipe, we are making a summer fruit roll with some fresh fruits inside, mint, and then we're gonna dip it in this really delicious lime honey sauce. So if you guys love these roll recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. The first thing you want to do is make the very simple dressing. So I have some lime juice here that I've already squeezed. And then to that, I'm just going to add probably about a tablespoon of honey. And this is just local honey that I bought. And that is it. It's going to be a very simple dressing for our fun summer spring rolls. All right, now that the dressing is done, we are going to make our spring rolls. So I have this pack that I buy from the Asian store, and then each individual wrap looks like this, just like a paper. And what you do is you just let it soak in warm water, and it's lukewarm water, not terribly hot or anything. And you'll notice at some point that it gets really soft, and that's when you pull it out. So just let it soak for a little bit. All right, so that is good. I have a plate right here. So now I get to just kind of assemble my roll. So what I like to do in the bottom layer is just take like apples or peaches or whatever fruit you like and just lay it like that. And then I have some mangoes that I'm gonna lay right on top like that. And then some strawberries, and really you honestly can use whatever type of fruit that you want or like. I would just not stick to melons because melons have a lot of water in them. So fruits that hold its shape better. There. Then a little bit of blueberries. And then I have some mint. Mint is optional, but I kind of like the green and the freshness that it brings. Just two. All right, and then tuck each ends like that. Tuck it over like this, and you just roll. And that's it. Just work and keep working with it until you have a good amount. All right, so I made this one slightly smaller, so I just want to show you guys how I fold it. I take one side, fold it over, take the other side, fold it over, take the front side, tuck it really well, and then fold. So this one was much better. There you go. Then you have a cute little summer roll, and you can see all the the fruits, and it looks nice. All right, so I made a few just to kind of show you guys the different examples of it, but really it just looks pretty, very colorful, and you can play around with whatever fruit. So we are going to taste test now. I'm gonna taste test this first one that, didn't turn out very pretty, but it's my little treat. So I'm gonna dip it in that dressing, and totally optional, but I kind of like that tartness, sweetness that it brings. That's good. All right, guys. Even though this is such a simple dressing, that honey and the lime juice, just with the mint and the different fruits, is a really nice and tangy, fresh, delicious taste to it. I don't know. It's really good. It's very simple, but something about the whole entire combination is really good. So I highly recommend this super easy dessert that's so healthy and easy to make. So if you guys like these types of recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. Gotta get that little dressing. Uh-oh.